Guys, this may sound crazy, but I'm starting my YouTube channel at the age of nearly 40 and not in my first language. Hi, my name is Marzena and welcome to my new YouTube channel. Yes, I know I had this channel since 2007, but I never really used it for any upload, so stay tuned. Let me find a nice spot and I'm going to tell you all about it. It's sunny and hot. It's nearly end of May 2026 and it's nearly my 40th birthday and I don't really know how I'm feeling about it. Probably a little bit scared. Maybe there is no reason to be scared turning 40, but I think I had a little bit of midlife crisis. So hopefully this YouTube channel and sharing my life, my experience and what I do, it's gonna give me a little bit of joy and I'll be finally able to feel creative and share what I do. And I do a lot of things. Not that I have a lot of time now, these days. What the plan is, 22 years of adult life. A lot of experience from emigrating to a different country, age 18, to doing different jobs, learning different skills, creating, traveling, learning. Yeah, there's a lot I want to share. I feel like now at my age where I'm feeling like starting from, not from the beginning, but starting a new chapter, I could give a lot of value to others and hopefully you're going to want to watch it. Even though that English is not my first language and I may be not saying things grammatically correct or in a different accent, but that's fine. I think I've came out of my comfort zone so much that I don't even care anymore. I just need to keep coming out of my shell and keep creating and keep on doing things. And we are currently doing a little bit of refurb in our house, which we've started a while back, but due to our personal circumstances, it taken us a little bit longer than expected, and we had to came up with a plan B, C to some of the situations. So I think there's going to be quite a lot of content and value that I can give to others, from DIYs to tips and to just maybe even, inspiring someone my age who is not confident and want to start or think about starting the YouTube channel. It would be great to, if you find this video, it would be amazing if you can comment whether you are like me, mid-age, and thinking about maybe starting YouTube. I believe every one of us has so much value to give. We just have to just let it go, just keep talking. I don't want this video to be excessively long, but I just wanted to treat this particular video as a sort of introduction, as sort of inspiration to others and accountability for myself, that I am here committed to keep on building this channel for other women 40 plus and maybe some younger girls and women, because I feel like I want to share some of the things that I've learned throughout my life that could help potentially someone else. And hopefully in a couple of months I can come back to this video and perhaps record a new one. Or maybe in May time next year I can come back to the same spot and record an update. I know it might be a slow process, but I think it's going to be worth doing, because at the end of the day it's going to be an asset, a form of asset for my future generations, my family future generations. Hopefully, if I've got any grandchildren, that would be lovely. If one day they can see it. And because I'm bilingual, I might be sharing some of the things from my native country, like maybe some cooking videos one day, who knows. I'm originally from Poland and I've been living in the UK for 19 years. There are some loud flying thingies going. You know what's also exciting in the whole YouTube starting channel journey is that I actually do have to start learning editing videos myself. I've already been doing that a little bit, but not on professional level, so that's going to be nice. I hope that my videos will make sense, and in some time I will gain some more experience and do actually create some good stuff. So fingers crossed. If you like the concept of my channel, please consider subscribing, stay in touch, comment, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.